Hey, what's going on everybody out there? This is Jakejames Lugo. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this brand new unboxing and impressions video. We're going to be taking a look at these two accessories here from Helm Audio. We have a digital analog converter as well as also a mobile headphone amplifier from Helm Audio that they just sent to me in the mail. I just literally got these in the package just now. So big shout outs to Helm Audio for sending these over so I could check out for you guys. As I'm unboxing this, I'm actually going to have my little cutter here to open up the plastic of both. As I'm opening up these bad boys, let me know in the comments section what you guys think of these unboxing impressions videos, as well as also suggestions for different types of tech and accessories for me to take a look at here on the channel. So, I've never really used Helm Audio's products like this before, or at least, you know, these accessories. And I'm curious to see how these will turn out. So, most of these converters and such are really for headphones that you can use, okay, that are either analog or whatnot, and turn them into a USB enabled or digital device that'll connect to your computer, or it'll enable you to kind of have a little bit more extra control with some of the volume of your sound that's coming out of your computer with your headphones. Let's say you just have a basic pair of headphones, you could get a little bit more functionality out of them with these types of things. So let's kick things off first with the Bolt DAC AMP or DAC amp. The Bolt DAC amp, but the digital analog converter. So let's open it up here on the bottom. It's like trying to pull out the package here because it's like flat. It's like one of those flat packages that has to like drop. Okay, there we go. I think I got it. Okay, there we go. I got it now. So put it up in here. Here's a little package for it. It's inside. That's actually pretty neat. That's the first time I've ever seen this, and it's a little zipper package. I think it's a zipper package. Let me see. Here, what is this? Is this a zipper? I can't tell. Actually, oh no, is it a magnet? No, it's a magnet. It's a magnetized baggie here. So you have this like magnet that's like super strong that just like shuts like really freaking harsh. Let me pull out the little USB cable part of it, or the USB section of it, because it's a little difficult to kind of like open it up here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now we're working here. So there's a little baggie with the little magnet, which is nice. But here is the converter. Okay. It looks small, as you can tell. Obviously, you could input an analog little 3.5mm jack there, and this will go into, let's say, for example, like your iPhone. Or well, not necessarily. This isn't an iPhone because this isn't a Lightning cable input. This is USB-C input. So this goes to like an Android device. It could go to obviously your computer, and then obviously the little adapter here, because it goes via USB, as you can tell. But it could go to multiple things that has these different types of connections. So obviously, if you're not going to use this little part of it here, this will go to anything that has USB-C. What else comes in this package? Let's actually see what comes in here. We have, I guess this is a reading material, and I think that's about it. Let me see here, just in case there's anything like sensitive on the inside here. I think it might be just a box. Yeah, it's just a box here. So there's nothing much else that's inside of there other than a little bit of foam and plastic and stuff. So that's this, okay? So I'm definitely going to mess around with this, see if it actually could get some good functionality with some of my, my analog headsets that I have. For example, like my Astro A10s that I actually have connected to this camera that I'm using now. Will be good to kind of use those, at least take it for a test drive. But that's one down, okay? So we're going to put that over here in frame for you guys. So that's one down. So now let's look at the amplifier. Okay, so this is the headphone amplifier. Let me actually see if this has the same problem opening up the packages. You guys got to come up with better ways to secure these packages that make them easier to open. So there we go. Here's the amplifier. Looks pretty good. Like the packaging. Pretty nice. Oh, it's a nice foam. Nice. Appreciate that. Of course, reading material, how to use. Oh, and it comes also with its extra little baggie as well. So let's move that out there. Again, it's probably magnetic. Yep, there, I can see it now. It's magnetic, as you guys can tell. It's a strong freaking magnet. So like, you gotta use a little bit of force to pull it out. In here, what do we got in here? We have a USB cable, which is nice. USB-C, USB 3.0, I'm guessing. Anything else in here? No, there's nothing else in here. Okay, cool. So that's a little baggie there. USB cable, and then here's converter. So obviously, you have your plus and minus for your volume, your multi-purpose button, which again is like, if you want to stop certain things from playing or not, so you'll be able to use that. And this goes into anything that pretty much, again, 3.5mm jack, 3.5mm input. There you go. pretty good overall. So I would use this probably for like my PC. Again, I just got a brand new PC that I put together, or at least I ordered the parts and I got it put together. So it'd be totally fine to mess around with something like that. Use it like if I'm playing stuff on Steam or anything of the sort. So there you go. Those are at least my first impressions of these. I'm probably going to take these for a test drive, see how they work out, and if they're any, like, you know, any good whatsoever. And I will let you guys know right about. So here I am back again after using both of these accessories for various different things. I have a couple things to report which are pretty good. So first, to start off with this, the analog converter. This was very simple to use. I plugged it into my computer on my desktop specifically after connecting an analog headset to this, which was my A10s. And after it did its little work, or its little magic, connecting to my computer, things worked out great. Everything was working out perfectly. I could control the volume through my computer and it sounded pretty darn good. Again, my A10s are pretty nice. But this is really for if you have any sort of like headset that's like cheaper and you don't have another input for, like, you know, an analog input, 3.5mm jack on your device, and you just need to be able to use USB. This is a good little gadget and accessory to have. So that's that. Now this over here, okay, the headphone amplifier was actually pretty darn good for a couple different reasons. Number one, I was able to connect it to like my tablet or to my phone and be able to control it like you normally would with any sort of device that has this functionality, you know, the multi-purpose button, the volume control and all that. But here's the other thing too. On the side here, if you guys could see it, if I could focus on there, that right there is a bass booster and also a treble booster. You could actually boost up your sound that you're listening to. Okay, as you can tell, it's actually running on battery, which is why the USB-C cable came with it, so you could charge it up, like if you connect it to like your PC or something like that, or another like wall outlet, you could charge it up. But it sounds pretty freaking good, and it worked out pretty darn good. Now, would I necessarily have something like this if I already have wireless headphones or wireless headsets? Probably not, but this is a good supplemental accessory to have in case something goes wrong with some of your wireless tech and all you have is analog stuff and you want to be able to at least get some good functionality with it and be comfortable with it, even though you're going to have to deal with some extra cables and stuff. But again, these aren't that bad. These are pretty darn good. So I have to say, both the headphone amplifier and the digital converter are pretty darn good. So anyway, those are my thoughts about these two accessories from Helm Audio. Again, big shout outs to them for sending them over to me to check out for all of you guys. Let me know your own thoughts about either one of these accessories down below in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos kind of like this. There's a bunch of other unboxings on here, as well as also brand new game reviews and a whole bunch of other great content I know you guys are going to love. Don't forget also to join my Discord server that I have right now. There's a link down below in the description box, as well as also the pinned comment, so you guys can come check it out, come talk to all the great people that we have in the community, a whole bunch of tech lovers, a whole bunch of gamers, and a lot of other great stuff I know you guys are really going to get a kick out of. That being said, I will talk to all of you again very soon. Peace out, and stay epic, everybody. Hey, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it enough to check out some of my other videos I'll list here on the side in just a moment. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel to see new content that I post up as it goes out. You can also join my Patreon for early access to new videos and exclusive content you'll only see over there. Don't forget to join my Discord server via the link in the description too. There's a lot of great people who love gaming and make an amazing community in there that I know you'll love being part of. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace out and stay epic, everyone.